Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the free trial of Asana account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the website, and after going to the website, you need to create an account, and after creating an account, automatically you will get a 30 days free trial. So as you can see, your trial gives you access to popular paid features like Gain, Portfolio, and more. Once your trial ends, you can continue with the free Asana personal plan. So as you can see, when you create your account on Asana, you will get 30 days free trial automatically. So let's click on the let's get started. As you can see now, each and everything is provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. As you can see in the profile section, you will be able to see price plans, and each and everything is provided here. So if you want a free trial of the 30 days, you just need to create an account on the Asana and you will get that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you will get the free trial. So see you guys in the next video.